ler motudore gi tero nyithindo manyiri nyangu. Kawadhi nyime, en ni jatend migao mar wuoth Kipchumba Murkomen okoni piny owacho chano mar golo oko olalo mar Liwatoni footbridge matudo Likoni kaachiel kod chula ma Mombasa. Murkomen lero ni olalono magedo ne nomuonyo omenda maromo siling bilion 1.9 osebedo kakelo dhung'ruok ewi olalono ero, to onge meli manyalo gowo kata mawuok e dho wath ma Mombasa. Murkomen mane loso Mombasa okoni gi chano mar tieko dhung'ruok ma Likoni e yor apaya madongo kundu mokoni korumo to biro tieko midhierono. Bende noyango ni en adiera ni nitiere dhung'ruok e kiew ma Busia kaluwore gi nok mar masinde manono mwandu.
Being exported, but we don't see anything coming in because through that route, because the corridor is not yet cleared. So we're working concurrently. We're getting a strategic investor to come and develop Lamu, both the special economic zone and the port, as we do the road, so that at the same time everything falls in place. And I can assure you, there is, without fear of contradiction, you will not go to the next election without an investor and without a road, tarmacked now. We are still in conversation, but we really want to do away with that bridge completely. That bridge has created unnecessary congestion in our port, and I think the conversation is ongoing to see if we should expedite the Dongokundu Road. Once we do the Dongokundu Road to complete, we don't need that bridge because it's causing immense delay when it comes to clearance of goods.
Ramogi